What's up YouTube? Today I'm going to be unboxing this Ryobi 18 volt orbital jigsaw. I got it at Home Depot. I just want to make a quick video and show you what it's all about or what's included in the package. So here's your front. Side. The back. Here under this sticker tells you it includes the jigsaw, one wood cutting blade, Allen wrench, and operator's manual. Here's some information about the jigsaw itself. I'll zoom in a little bit so you can read it. Pause the video if you want to read it more in detail. The other side and the bottom. Alright, the top. Let's get into it. I'll be testing this video out. I'm testing this product out hopefully pretty soon. I bought it, got it for it was a deal, package deal, $100. You get if you buy the $100 drill that comes with like 2 batteries and stuff, you get this for free. So basically this was free. I'll do an unboxing of the drill that comes with the 2 batteries and the charger. That was what I paid for, $100. The deal is over now. But let's see. Let's get into it. Here's the owner's manual. Here's the jigsaw itself. Let's pull it out of the bag so you can see. Alright, so there's the jigsaw. It's a one with battery. Here on the side it has this cut, what you need to cut. Here you have a to toggle, I believe it's speed. Here's what I've seen, they say orbits around. Oh, this is cool. This one also, the actual thing moves around. I don't know if you can see under here. Yeah, you can a little bit. It has actually degrees of what you need to cut an angle for. So it has 0, where it's at right now, 15, 30, and 45 degrees. And this thing, they said also you could adjust it with one of these screws, and you could level that out for your blade. So you could actually, and the blade is actually here in the package. It's a T-shaped blade. You could also lock it in place. It seems like it. Yep, you could lock it in place. Here's pretty much how you put your blade in. You just move it. You insert your blade in this. Just release it since it's a T-shaped. That's pretty much it. A quick unboxing of the product. Let me know if you have any questions. Alright, see ya.